Well, I don't have to outlay any money,
Yeah.
and I'm saving money. That's a no-brainer right there. It's a beautiful look that I was probably a little skeptical about before this, but now I love it. I also like that there's not a lot of extra conduit and wires. That's what I've seen on other homes.
Yeah.
These guys were professional, considerate, and fast. You didn't even know that they were here. And I'm a very meticulous person. And I didn't have to go after them to do anything. When they left, they cleaned up after themselves, even down to a little screw on the deck. He went down and made sure everything was cleaned up like I would do if it was my own house. They put booties on their feet. They didn't walk through my house. They wanted to make sure that was cleaned up. When they were done, they vacuumed for us. I was impressed.
Yeah.
The look is better than I thought it was going to look. I've already had a compliment or two from people that have seen it. So, wow, I didn't think that solar panels could look so good on a roof than what they do on my house. So I'm happy about that. As a person who was skeptical about solar energy and solar panels, I would say get it now. I wouldn't wait.